All materials are ethically sourced and documented.
Each hide is tracked for quality and origin.
Handle carefully. These go to the main processing factory.
Precision measurement ensures uniform production.
This gives the product its final shine.
All materials are ethically sourced and documented.
Each hide is tracked for quality and origin.
Handle carefully. These go to the main processing factory.
Delivery arriving in 2 hours.
Shipment verified. Proceed to unloading.
Automated unloading improves efficiency. We start with hydration and softening. This removes impurities and the dirt.
We use advanced eco-friendly tanning technology. Checking for consistency and defects.
Precision measurement ensures uniform production.
Patterns are digitally optimized.
These are for premium handbag production. Automation guarantees durability and precision.
Final touches define the quality.
Perfect bonding ensures long-lasting shoes.
This gives the product its final shine.
Brand identity is applied here.
Only perfect items pass quality control.
Ready for international markets.
All items are sorted by destination before shipment.
Automation ensures safe packaging.
Each product is labeled for global tracking.
Weight and size verification complete.
Ready for dispatch.
Careful loading prevents damage.
Container sealed for international delivery.
Loading for overseas markets.
Departure confirmed. Rebound this flight, Sanson, Fleming flight, leading to...
Color consistency is critical.
Precision measurement ensures uniform production.
All cargo secured.
Products are distributed worldwide.
Unloading begins.
All goods cleared for entry.
Delivering to distribution centers. Sorting for retail stores and online orders.
These are our latest arrivals. It's for demonstration, translate. The quality is excellent.
Preparing online orders for shipment.
Final delivery in progress.
Perfect condition, beautifully made.
We start by designing for both style and durability.
Every detail is digitally perfected before production.
This is our first physical prototype. We test for long-term performance.
We verify material quality at the microscopic level.
Ready for dispatch.
Color consistency is critical. Drying ensures durability and texture. This creates unique textures for design variety.
Edges must be perfectly clean.
Adhesive ensures strong bonding.
Reinforced stitching increases lifespan.
Comfort and elegance inside the bag.
Comfort is just as important as design.
This step ensures durability in daily use.
Shaping defines the final look. Every detail must be flawless.
Capture the elegance and detail.
These will be used for global campaigns.
Introducing our latest collection to the international market.
Sales performance is strong across international markets.
Customers appreciate durability and design.
We ensure every product meets our standards.
We minimize waste through recycling.
We maintain environmentally responsible production.
Precision and safety are essential.
Safety standards are strictly enforced.
Production continues 24 hours a day.
From raw material to finished product in a streamlined process.
Welcome to our premium collection.
Presenting the latest designs.
These products are beautifully crafted and durable.
Crafted with precision, designed for excellence.
Delivered worldwide to customers everywhere.
High quality, reliable, and stylish.